Greg Munyon with Mid-State Truck Service from Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin. Today we're going to tour the International HX620. This truck features the International A26 engine along with the Allison transmission and the 4500 series RDS, fully automatic. We've equipped this truck with the Bebo BFL 19-foot body, which features a heated box and a high lift tailgate. Let's take a little quick tour on the inside and I can show you this inside of the truck. All the buttons now come from International factory on the dash for everything you need for your lift gate, tarp motor, lift axles is already there from the factory installed. This truck features the diamond interior with leather wrapped steering wheel, air memory seats, are heated and cooled. Underneath on the floor and the back of the wall, the new doors, which open with much more ease. The drop down door here, also optional C-clamp mirrors or pedestal style type mirrors are optional on the Next Gen HX.